Ever wondered how multiple AI agents can work together like a team? Let's compare three of the most powerful multi-agent frameworks available today: LangGraph, CrewAI, and AutoGen. If you're a tech lead or a developer thinking about building collaborative AI systems, this will help you choose the right one for your use case. I will walk you through the core design of each, share simple examples, and talk about the real-world strengths and trade-offs. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more straight-to-the-point insights on AI frameworks, and let me know in the comments which one you'd rather work with. Let's start with LangGraph. This one is a framework built on top of LangChain, designed for orchestrating stateful agent workflows. Think of it like building a pipeline of decisions where each agent is a node in a graph, and the graph itself is the source of truth for state. Everything is explicit: the schema, what changes, and when it changes. One powerful feature here is human in the loop. LangGraph lets you pause an agent mid-execution, literally stop a node, review the state, make edits, and then resume. It's great for workflows where you need oversight, corrections, or approvals. This deterministic approach is why LangGraph emerged. It's LangChain's answer to teams needing auditable, production-grade orchestration, especially compared to the more flexible but less predictable conversation-driven systems. It's ideal for complex workflows that require memory, precision, and error recovery. But all that power comes at a cost. The learning curve can be steep, and for lightweight projects, it might feel like an overkill. Next up, CrewAI. This one is all about speed and simplicity. It lets you create teams of agents, called crews, with defined roles like researcher, writer, and validator. These agents then collaborate using a workflow called a flow, where tasks can be delegated between agents. What I love about CrewAI is how easy it is to get started. You can spin up a team of agents that mimic a real-world team, and they'll work together from idea to final output. It's great for fast prototyping or projects where roles are clearly defined. Human in the loop in CrewAI is light, usually handled as part of the task flow, like a human reviewing an output before the next agent continues. It's also extremely lightweight and fast. No LangChain dependency and very little overhead. But it's less suited for workflows that are tightly interdependent or need memory across tasks. So, if you value speed and simplicity, and you're building things like AI support teams or marketing agents, CrewAI is a great option. And then there's AutoGen, developed by Microsoft. This one takes a different approach. It models multi-agent workflows as conversations between agents. Each agent can specialize. One might read logs, another writes code, a third tests it, and they message each other to collaborate. AutoGen is especially strong for developer-focused or research-heavy tasks. It supports code execution, tool integrations, and long-term memory. I've seen it used effectively for debugging workflows or as an assistant that evolves over time through iterations. Here, state is stored in the message history. Every turn, every tool call, every revision. That gives AutoGen incredible flexibility but less determinism. For human in the loop, AutoGen uses user proxy agent, which allows a human to jump into the agent conversation whenever needed, almost like joining a group chat and taking over temporarily. It's very flexible and great if you want agents that behave more like humans in a group chat, but it's still evolving quickly and the setup is a bit heavier than CrewAI. So, if you're looking for flexibility and long-term agent collaboration, AutoGen might be the best fit for it. Now that we've looked at each framework on its own, let's put them side by side. Here are some of the key differences that matter when you're deciding which one to use. Ease of getting started. CrewAI is by far the easiest. You can spin up role-based crews quickly without heavy dependencies. LangGraph takes a bit more setup, especially as you add complexity. AutoGen is powerful but heavier, better for teams that already have engineering resources dedicated to AI. Structure and orchestration. LangGraph shines when you need stateful flows, retries, and clear branching logic, perfect for production-grade systems. CrewAI keeps things simple, with defined roles, but doesn't offer the same orchestration depth. AutoGen focuses on conversation-driven collaboration. It's flexible, but less deterministic than LangGraph's graph structure. Use case fit. LangGraph for enterprise-grade workflows like financial reviews, compliance, or regulated pipelines where traceability and control matter. CrewAI for fast prototyping, content generation, marketing, and support agents where speed and iteration are more important than strict processes. AutoGen for developer and research use cases like debugging, code regeneration, experimentation, where flexibility and agent-to-agent communication are essential. Performance and maturity. LangGraph is newer but built on LangChain's ecosystem, so it benefits from a larger community. CrewAI is lightweight and fast, though still evolving in features. AutoGen has strong backing from Microsoft and is advancing quickly, but comes with more setup complexity. Each has strengths. The right choice depends on your use case, precision versus speed versus flexibility. If you're exploring multi-agent systems, this is the decision every tech leader has to face. I'd love to hear which framework you use as the best fit for your projects. Drop it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more practical AI engineering insights. So, see you in the next video. Thank you.